So I'm here with Mugwort this morning. Mugwort and the birds. Artemisia douglaciana, California native plant. Beautiful stand. And the message from Arnica this morning was, any decisions go through the heart. Any decisions go through the heart. So here's this beautiful, beautiful. This is one of the herbs that we plant in our moon garden, because you can see the white leaves on the back. The back of the leaves are white. And when the moon is full or when the moon is bright, this plant, you can see it because you can see the white leaves. So it's one of the herbs that really shines at night. You can, like the white leaves glisten. So yeah, this is mugwort. Really beautiful, beautiful morning. I like to make little bundles with this plant and burn it for clearing. Just clearing out stuff that, like, oh, get rid of it. That I don't need that thought. I don't need that, I don't need that thought. I don't need that thought. Clear it out. Just keep clearing it out. There you have beautiful, beautiful morning. Beautiful mugwort.